Hey, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Talking eBay. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to add a store category. So if you're new to eBay and you're not sure how to add store categories, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty simple, and just want to walk you through real quickly how to do this. So you have to have a basic store, of course, to have this. If you just do auctions only, you cannot have categories. But if you are selling and you're trying to build a business on eBay, you should really add categories, get the basic store, and then building items as you grow your inventory. So in my store here, I have 959 items available. And then you can see here, manage store. This is how you get into the manage store section. But if you're not sure how to get there, click on any of your listings. Okay, here's a listing here. You'll always see in the right side, visit store. So if you're not sure if you have a store, this will tell you right here. So have a basic store, click on visit store. And once you get to visit store, you'll see manage my store. It's right up here. You can't miss it. You click on manage my store. Okay. Now this opens up to a whole bunch of stuff, and you can just see here. So on your top left over here, store category, store newsletter. So you can do all kinds of different things here. Discounts, manage subscriptions, things like that. So we're just going to focus on categories. So click on categories, and you can see here, there's a ton already here already. Okay, there's all kinds of categories. There's subcategories, men's clothing. You can add subcategories. Eh? You can see that. You can do makeup, different kinds, all within one category, which is nice. And it makes it a little easier for your customers when they're looking around to decide, okay, what else do they have within that category? So it makes it easy. So what you want, you can reorder them. You put them in different orders. If not, they go alphabetical by default. So you know. So add a store category. All you do is click on add a store category, and we can call this eBay fun, just for fun, and we save that. Okay, and then you just scroll down. Where are we here? eBay fun. So here's your category right here. So the other thing is that will not become active until you make a listing. So that people won't be able to see that in your store. So eBay fun is there, but the only way to do it is actually put a listing together, use your drop down for categories, and put it under that specific category. And that's how that works. So it's pretty simple. So let's just go back to the store, and you'll see. So here is a search by categories, right? So you can hear that drop down, and these are all the categories that I have. Okay, and you can see they're all right here. So people can say, okay, let me see what they have. Well, they have bedding, they have electronics. So this is why it's so important. If you have a lot of different items and you want to just keep them, kind of organized under certain categories, this is super important. So you won't see eBay here because it's nothing listed under that. So once something is listed and you attach it to that specific category, it now becomes active. So what this does, it keeps it more organized, keeps it simple. It doesn't confuse the customer clicking on things when there's nothing there. You don't want that. And that's pretty much how it is. And if you want to go in and go back and delete it, simple as that. You go back to the store, manage my store. Okay, we'll go back to the left side, store categories, and then we'll go back down to eBay. eBay fun, here it is, edit, and just delete. We don't want eBay fun. Delete eBay fun. Yes, we aren't really using that. That was just a test. All right, guys, just want to make a quick tutorial. Hope it brought you some value. If you enjoyed this, please give me a like, thumbs up would be great. Also subscribe to the channel. It does help me out quite a bit. I do appreciate that. And that's it. So if you want to learn more about eBay and learning about selling online, this is the right place for you. So subscribe and you'll be notified when the next video is ready. Any questions or comments, leave down below. I answer everything. I can help you out. I've been selling online for a very, very long time and help you with any issues that you have. Okay, guys, that's it for me. Quick and easy. Hope you learned something. I appreciate your time. Take care.